in case some miss out. Okay. Sorry.
पहले बोले होता कि आप रिकॉर्ड करने वाले हो तो हम तैयार होके आते हैं।
आप वैसे ही तैयार लग रहे हैं, बड़ी मर्जी।
आपको देखकर हम लोग कॉन्ग्रेस कर रहे हैं।
हाँ, बाल तो बनाने नहीं मेरे को।
चले, that's right. Okay, शुरुआत करते हैं फिर हम लोग, है ना? Okay. So just put together a brief agenda for the meeting. Prayer से start करते हैं हम लोग, and as you see here further तो हम लोग न्यू मेंबर इंट्रो में तो कोई है नहीं फिलहाल। एक इंडिया कनाडा रिसेंट हाइलाइट्स सुभाष जी, announcements सुभाष जी, GTA committees, respective members and heads, or ideas for equal awareness and events. So these are the main topics, and next meeting या meetings की जो timings वगैरह हैं तो वो decide करेंगे. We're expecting to finish the meeting in about an hour 15 minutes, so I would say probably by 10:45 or sorry 11:45 to 12, just for your time management. ठीक है, तो we'll start the meeting. सुभाष जी prayer के लिए आप lead करेंगे?
हाँ जी जरूर। ओम सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिना, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःख भाग् भवेत्। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
सोनिया जी अगर आप हैं तो if you could also jot down a few points, मैं भी note कर लेता हूँ, and बाद में we'll exchange notes to finalize the minutes. सोनिया जी? सोनिया जी, can you hear me? कोई बात नहीं, चलिए हम मैं नोट करते जाऊँगा, फिर we'll complete that. Okay.
बस recording भी हो रही है तो we can always refer back to that. Yeah.
Sure.
Sorry, I don't know why मेरा unmute नहीं हो पा रहा था. Something, my phone was frozen. Can you hear me?
हाँ जी, yes.
Okay, मैं notes बना लूँगी साइड में. No problem.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, तो शुरुआत करते हैं। सुभाष जी आपसे शुरुआत करेंगे। एकल इंडिया कनाडा US कुछ भी आप अपडेट देना चाहेंगे टीम को?
ठीक है, तो एकल इंडिया का तो आई थिंक हम सबको मालूम है कि पीछे कुमार विश्वास जी का उन्होंने प्रोग्राम किया था, जो आई होप के काफी लोगों ने देखा होगा। तो इट वाज एन एक्सीलेंट प्रोग्राम, और उसमें काफी कई बड़े बड़े लोग उसमें जुड़े हुए थे, एंड देयर वाज लॉट ऑफ नाइस मैसेजेस, एंड इट वाज आल्सो देयर कलेक्शन भी उन्होंने की थी, फंडरेजर भी था उनका, सो दे हैड सम हैंडसम अमाउंट कलेक्टेड आल्सो। स्वामी रामदेव जी भी उसमें थे, और भी कुछ लोग थे। हमारे अपने गडकरी जी जो हैं, वो भी मिनिस्टर जो हैं, सेंट्रल मिनिस्टर, वो भी ही वाज सपोज्ड टू बी देयर इन पर्सन, लेकिन समहाउ उनको कुछ कहीं जाना पड़ा, तो उनका मैसेज था वहां पर। तो इट वाज रियली नाइस प्रोग्राम। और यूएसए का तो आपको पता है कि इट्स ऑलरेडी व्हाइल अगो, सो दे हैड देयर गैला, जहां पर उन्होंने दे हैड रेज्ड अबाउट $6.5 million. So that was quite encouraging and very exciting. Usme I had a talk with Ramesh ji, and he mentioned that इस बार lot of the जो high ticket donors थे, they're also donated for some other projects like आरोग्य के लिए और ग्रामोत्थान के जो different projects हैं, उनके लिए उन्होंने काफी big amounts donate किए थे। So which is all, क्योंकि अभी हमारे जो इंडिया में schools हैं, right now we are at about 103,000, और एकल इंडिया उनकी जो प्लान है अभी, not to concentrate much on expanding the number of schools, लेकिन जो बाकी प्रोग्राम्स हैं ग्रामोत्थान और आरोग्य के, they want to concentrate on those, ताकि जो ऑलरेडी हमारे पास स्कूल हैं उनमें जो बाकी क्षेत्र हैं उनमें भी आगे थोड़ा काम किया जाए, एंड to make them more self reliant and all that. तो एकल कनाडा में कुछ I guess you pretty well know what has happened, and not much is going on right now. Other than we have been working on some plans to कि ये 2021 का जो है अभी हमारा ये साल है, इसकी कैसे आगे इसको फॉरवर्ड करना है, and I think this is part of the agenda to discuss that today. We as a board members, we have been working on the constitution. We had a few board meetings. तो constitution में कुछ changes करने की जरूरत थी, तो which we have been talking for a long time. तो उसके ऊपर हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं और constitution को थोड़ा सा revise कर रहे हैं. As there's a need to have more directors and maybe some other officers. So we are working on it, and as it gets completed, we'll share with everybody. Other than that, we have had some interest. Ottawa chapters, एक interest था. There's some donor who is willing to donate up to $200,000. तो हमारे वहाँ के जो चैप्टर चेयर राकेश प्रसाद जी हैं, he is working on इसके ऊपर. तो there has been another donor in Edmonton chapter में, वो भी एक स्कूल बस के लिए उन्होंने कहा था, एकल ऑन व्हील्स जो बोलते हैं, तो वो भी उनसे बातचीत चल रही है. So that's about it as far as the chapters are concerned. And so Sandeep ji, you want me to make the announcement as well?
हाँ जी बिल्कुल.
अच्छा. और we have been talking about के हमारे जहाँ पर जो अभी GTA chapter में and even overall बाकी chapters में भी, तो we have जैसे chair हैं and secretary हैं अभी right now. Sandeep ji is the chair of GTA chapter. Bharti ji is the secretary of GTA chapter, along with the Ekal youth team का जो वो handle कर रहे हैं, and Sandeep ji is also handling the Ekal young professionals and other responsibilities. So we felt there's a need to have a vice chair and also a joint secretary. So उसके ऊपर, because we're all working as a team, लेकिन still there are certain roles which need to be filled. Somebody needs to take a lead on those roles. तो उसके लिए, and then also after a certain time that person probably needs a little break and some other people need to come forward. So that's why we decided कि उसके लिए we should have a vice chair and a joint secretary. So right now, I'm very happy and very honored to share with you that हमारे राजेश प्रसाद जी, उन्होंने इस as a vice chair of GTA के role को उन्होंने accept किया है, and to work with Sandeep ji. So Rajesh ji, we welcome you for this role and thank you for you. Okay, so really appreciate it.
Thank you, Shivaji. Appreciate it.
Congratulations.
बहुत बहुत बधाई. और हाँ जी, इससे सी हम सब लोग अपने अपनी जगह पे सब भी जुड़े हुए हैं इस एकल के साथ, और सभी अपने हिसाब से we are all contributing. हाँ जी, लेकिन as I said, there's certain roles need to be filled in, and we all need to come forward and start leading in those roles, and we want everybody gets it. Everybody will get a chance, and everybody should try to come forward if they can. Okay, and so we still have a role of joint secretary ka role that still needs to be filled in, and as it is done. And if somebody has any suggestions, you're welcome to come forward. You can talk to me and discuss with me in this respect. Other than that, I think that's all I have to share. And so I'll pass it on to Sandeep ji to carry forward.
Sandeep ji, can I just jump in for 1 second? I wanted
Yes,
to,
Raj, please.
this question is for Subhash ji.
हाँ जी.
सुभाष जी, आपने initially कहा कि जो एकल इंडिया का function था, it was at a large scale and we had some major dignitaries involved in that. उसका क्या था, उसकी अहमियत क्या थी, उसमें से निकला क्या? What was the result out of it? किस लिए था और क्या result था? Can we use anything out of it? ये 2-3 questions थे and I should have asked these earlier, so I'm sorry, I don't want to use up too much time, but अगर एक आधी चीज कुछ उसमें से निकली हो,
उनका
that you can share with the जी.
हाँ जी, आई थिंक उनका जो मेन वहाँ का था, एक तो उनका गैला था बेसिकली, इट वाज देयर गैला, एनुअल गैला, तो दे वांटेड टू शेयर एंड दे आल्सो पीपल लाइक जैसे कुमार विश्वास वगैरह, they are really, he is quite a bit into in the limelight, and also एक nationalist हैं उनके, जो he is a poet also, as we all know. तो उनकी जो भी कविताएं होती हैं, जो भी वो काम कर रहे हैं, इज मोर ऑन नेशनल लेवल, एंड स्पेशली आई थिंक ही हैड डन लॉट ऑफ वर्क ऑन रामायण के ऊपर उन्होंने काम किया है, रामचंद्र जी के ऊपर, तो ही वाज शेयरिंग पार्ट ऑफ दैट. एंड सो बेसिकली आई थिंक एक नेशनलिस्ट, एक देश के प्रति जो हमारी एक देश प्रेम के ऊपर था बेसिकली, that how everybody should be more focused on the country than any other matters. क्योंकि जो एकल का काम भी है बेसिकली देश को आगे करने के लिए ही है. And then of course, हाँ जी, so that's what I got out of it. हाँ जी.
Right, and I had a part of it myself, and I'd spoken to somebody else about it. The reason I was asking that, I wanted to sort of getting your views on it too, is this something maybe we could share with all our volunteers as well? Do you think it had some weight in there that we could, just like we share other information with our current volunteers in Canada, maybe we could send them a link to this and say, guys, इसमें से ये 3-4 points बहुत अच्छे हैं, सुनो इसको, या पूरी presentation सुनो. These are just thoughts, right? And I'll just leave it there for now. We can discuss it maybe as the media person comes in or something.
I think it's a very good suggestion, and then we can always look into it. And then उसमें से कुछ जिस निकाल के कुछ some points, good points जो हैं, it's always nice to share
like a summary.
Everybody, हाँ.
जी.
It only becomes inspiring and encouraging to all of us,
That's exactly it. And we have to find, that's what we're looking to find, what is, to sit through a 3-hour program, it's not for everybody. Personally, I'm not one of those either, to be honest, right? But if I can get a good 10 minutes of the main impacts, I think it resonates so much more. And that was my thinking.
ठीक है. Sure.
Thank you.
बिल्कुल नहीं, राजी काफी अच्छा सेशन है. वी शुड बी डूइंग दैट. तो जो इसका लिंक है प्रोग्राम का, वो मैंने आपको एकल कनाडा वॉलंटियर्स वाले ग्रुप पे डाला है अभी. जस्ट शेयर द यूट्यूब लिंक, एंड उसका एक अगर शॉर्टन वर्जन रेडी कर सकते हैं तो दैट आई थिंक विल बी गुड आइडिया. इस तरह के बहुत सारे जो काम होते हैं, इंडिया काफी अच्छा कुछ कर रहा है, यूएस भी काफी कुछ कर रहे हैं, तो इफ यू आर एबल टू यूटिलाइज दोज एंड बेसिकली उन्हें अगर लोगों तक पहुंचा करके, if we can get more value and they can feel that ECL is doing so much more work, I think that will be beneficial. It's easier than creating new program. अगर पुराने program को लेकर के अगर हम लोग उससे we can get some more mileage out of that, I think that'll be very useful. Okay, so Rajeshri, once again welcome आपको, and thanks to all of the volunteers. काफी कुछ करना है, and we have lot many areas where we require help. So we welcome Rajeshri, but also anyone who has kind of more time and bandwidth and energy, please come forward. We have things to be done. So thank you, Swaju. Thank you, Rajeshri.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, तो Bharti ji, Rajesh ji, myself, Ashok ji will be kind of meeting more often, and we'll be having some more brainstorming as well from time to time. So we'll try to make these meetings more useful by having some pre-discussions on topics. Okay. So next on the agenda was about the ECL GTA committees. So essentially, this is more to brainstorm on different aspects of the work that we are supposed to be doing. और आइडिया अबाउट द कमिटीज फॉर दैट कंसिस्टेंट बेसिस पर हमारे पास में कुछ एरियाज को लीड करने के लिए, उसको ओन करने के लिए, उसको उसमें नए आइडियाज लाने के लिए वी शुड हैव डेडिकेटेड मेंबर्स. तो this has just kind of like started a couple of months ago. तो अभी चीजें things are still in very nascent stage, in the beginning stage, but we are starting to see some form of like progress being made along those lines. तो ये काफी encouraging है. So I'll start with the committee updates. Deepak ji, are you there right now? If not, maybe Bharti ji, अगर आपसे start कर लेते हैं, we'll come back to Deepak ji later. So this is about social media contents and website operations. Bharti ji has taken the lead on that front. Bharti ji, अगर आप बताएंगे इसके बारे में.
Sandeep ji, I think Deepak ji has unmuted himself.
Oh,
दीपक अभी 5 मिनट में, he's on call, उनका थोड़ा सा
अच्छा,
check करना है.
जब भी वो आ जाएंगे हमें एक बार इंडिकेट कर दीजिएगा,
ठीक है,
मैसेज
मैं
कर दीजिएगा.
definitely
हाँ,
let you,
तो
हाँ,
फिर
we'll
लोग
let
वहाँ
you know.
पे जाएंगे.
Yes,
Sure.
sure.
ठीक है, भारती जी अगर आपसे स्टार्ट करें.
Yes. So Sandeep ji, we made a very good progress related to social media, the idea that we have on how we want to move forward. We have, I won't get into the exact details on how the framework is, but if we can, if anybody is interested in knowing, we can, I'm very happy to talk about it, but I'll keep it very high level. So we've engaged, so it wouldn't have been possible without obviously Samir ji and Pooja and Meera showing very active involvement and support. We were able to create a framework with our youth, young volunteers, and we've set up a Discord server where along with Pooja, Samir ji, Amira, and some help from university students, final year university students, and our young Ekal Youth volunteers, we will be brainstorming ideas and creating a buzz on social media platforms. The one that we are targeting right now is Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube specifically. We are going to roll out contents very consistently, at least 3 to 4 times a week on these platforms. The contents we are going to identify based on our meetings that we hold. And so far, and we have a lot of ideas going on how and what we can do to make all the chapters across Canada active on our Ekal Canada platform. We will individually speak with the chapter chairs from various chapters and see how and what the social media, Ekal Canada social media can do for them to get them involved within the community and bring more participation, both in terms of volunteers and donation. That's something we will be working on. And so far, in this meeting, we identified a couple of a few content ideas that I believe will help spread awareness and probably get donations and more volunteer participation. One of them being the YouTube link that he posted. We'll try to engage our volunteers in breaking down that YouTube and extracting useful content to share on our Facebook and other social media platform. Introducing the new team, introducing Rajesh Prasadji's new role, introducing the 2021 team on our social media. And then, like Subhashi said in the beginning of the meeting, that Ekal Canada, Ekal India is focusing more on Arogya and Gramothan. So focusing our contents more on Gramothan and Arogya, so that we are able to get donation in those areas, because right now Ekal Canada is focused more on the education front. So overall, education of what Ekal does is something we'll be focusing to get more reach, spread more awareness, and hopefully get some donation on our social media platforms. But we are using youth for all of this. And Ekal Canada will provide the youth with volunteering hours, and which would be very useful for them when they're applying for universities down the line.
Bharti, I have a quick
Amazing.
question. So you said you had we're using multiple social platforms, right? Social media platforms for our awareness. have you identified one platform over the others that's most effective or has the most likes or reach outs or whatever you guys quantify them in? Is there any one specific one?
So
Facebook?
Rajesh, we are very, very active on Facebook, and I think most of our target audience is on Facebook.
Right.
The newer the newer generation, or I should say the more even people like yourself, me, and others are switching to Instagram. And because Instagram and Facebook is integrated, they share contents across platforms. It's visible. So Facebook, Instagram are going to be our main focus. Twitter is also another platform where sharing highlights will draw people to our social media platform and spreading awareness from there. So Twitter, what I understand, Twitter, if I go in the order, it will be Facebook and Instagram and Twitter in line. And I would believe, we haven't done that yet because we're not very active on YouTube, but I would believe sharing content on YouTube and applying YouTube strategically should also get us a good audience and exposure.
Okay. Again, just a thought that popped up. Thanks a lot.
Oh, no, it's a great question, but I think most of our audience is on Facebook.
Facebook. Okay.
Right. मेरा जिसमें ये comment है भारती जी की YouTube in my mind will be very useful as well. If we Facebook तो हम लोग काफी अच्छा उसमें हमारा ये चल ही रहा है. हमारा page is active and we usually see good amount of reach. YouTube में एक फायदा ये होता है कि उसमें जो भी हमारे वीडियो contents हैं they would all be kind of in one place and kind of we can make playlists etc. तो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा organized हो जाता है तो that could be useful in like जो भी हमारे जैसे प्रोग्राम्स वगैरह हुए हैं उसका अगर उसमें डालते जाएंगे तो इट्स अ गुड रिपोजिटरी फॉर अस टू हैव. और कोई अगर नए लोग भी हैं अगर उन्हें हमारे बारे में जानना है तो वी कैन सेंड देम अ लिंक एंड दे कैन गो टू दैट एंड गिव्स अ वेरी फेयर आइडिया अबाउट हम क्या कर रहे हैं, कैसे कर रहे हैं, कौन सी टीम, व्हाट द टीम बिहाइंड. सो यूट्यूब एक मैं सजेस्ट करूँगा कि उसमें थोड़ा सा भी करें. और सेकंड, is it possible to include WhatsApp in this
So they're all
scope as
integrated,
well?
Sandeepji. So definitely, most of the content that we share on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, we share it via WhatsApp. So I think I should mention WhatsApp as a separate thing because now it's become not just a sharing or messaging platform, but more like a social media platform, right?
Right,
So definitely whatever we post on our social media gets shared via WhatsApp. And now that the WhatsApp is integrated with Facebook and Instagram, we will try to use that to our best advantage. And Samir ji, but adding to in continuation with our social media, Samir Nargolkar ji, he's been working very actively on our website, and he's done. Samir ji has really done excellent progress with our reach and how to reach to our donors. So I think he will be able to speak individually. He can speak what he's done.
Absolutely. And just a quick point on that. It's very important how we display our brand as Airtel Canada to the outside person, as a charity and everything like that, because we have potential new donors, we have corporate funding, so even corporates are looking at us. So all of that, we have to present a very collective and very focused social media strategy. And I think it's important. That's why we also are up on LinkedIn. But LinkedIn, we don't post much. It is just there to give basic information. But yes, these 4 social media platforms, along with our website, is what is going to be our strategy going forward. And Airtel Youth is also very important because they do come up with some very creative ideas of how we can take this forward. But basically, it's our brand. We have in Canada, at least I would estimate somewhere around 7 lakh Hindus of Indian origin, and also Indians in Canada, in total probably around 1.4 or 1.5 million in all. So that's our target donor base. And even beyond that, if our message is good, if our message resonates, then our circle increases even to 37 million Canadians. So that's exactly what we are looking to target. And our social media, our external facing platforms, including our website, should reflect that. so that new donors are attracted and new volunteers are also attracted, because sometimes even getting good volunteers is a success. So that's why our social media strategy is very important, because it's outside facing and people outside associate your brand with what you put out there. So that's why it's very important.
Perfect.
Sameer ji, sorry, can I just come in for 1 second? A question for Sameer ji. Sameer ji, ये जो Canadian online giving है, are we, you are connected with it already, or जैसे हमारे पहले से भी, before you started like compiling everybody, पहले भी Canadian online giving से हमारे पास पैसे आते थे. So right now, are they part of the whole group which you are compiling?
Do you mean third-party sites like, say, Canada Helps?
Just for example, I see a donation came yesterday from Canadian Online Giving. So usme, are we able to see who the actual donors are, or we are not?
Absolutely. So Canada Online Giving Foundation is something that probably is more of a collection platform. So I'll tell you, donors donate to us from third-party sites like Benevity. And on Benevity, we get the payment from Canada Online Giving Foundation. So it's given to us by them. So yes, very much in line with that. We can see it. So whether it be Benevity, Canada Helps, or whatever, we can see who the donors are, how much they're donating, what the amount is. So I know for a fact that if it's somebody who's sponsoring an entire school, say at $500, then we do give the name to the school. So the donor's name does come on the school poster. So absolutely, that's why it's important to collect the names and things like that. So to your question, Sameer, Subhash ji, absolutely.
मैं ऐसा करूंगा कि मैं आपसे बाद में आपसे बात कर लूंगा after the meeting. Then I'll discuss the details. के मेरे Canada Help से भी आई है हमारे पास donations. Canada Online Giving से, for example, we received $4,600 or $4,623 yesterday.
Yes.
On Friday. So
yes,
I'll
and that's
with
why
you
that giving season is important. So November, December, usually just before Christmas, is when we get a lot of donations. All charities across Canada, and actually November 30th or December 1st is Giving Tuesday across the entire country. So that's why it's a very important period. So actually, we were given these donations back in November, December itself, but these platforms delay by a month or two because they aggregate everything and give in one chunk. So that's why Benevity and this and that, we just got it just now.
Okay. I'll discuss with you later on then.
We'll discuss, yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, I have a question. Just regarding the same topic. Firstly, I must say I'm really impressed to hear everything. Great progress on this, Bharti ji, Sameer ji. Really amazing to hear. I just wanted to ask about the website. So we have had a lot of energy on updates to the website as topic discussions. And recently I saw a message from Purushottam ji to everyone regarding the website updates. I was wondering if your team will have more information for us on that.
Yes, we have updated the website a little bit with a few changes. But specific to Purushottam ji's comment, I wouldn't be able to privy to that. Maybe Bharti ji or Subhash ji can throw more light on it. But yes, the website has been updated with some very minor changes, about 7 or 8 minor changes to upgrade it. And of course, along with Sameer Thakkar ji, we are looking at how we can maybe move to a better platform, maybe make it more better, the website. So we are looking at all our options, but definitely Purushottam ji's email will also be taken into account.
Sandeep ji, Bharti ji, do you have any updates overall on the website?
Sonia, I think Sameer ji is working with Sahil to make any important updates that he thinks is relevant at this point. While he's establishing, ACL Canada's presence on various, charitable foundations or donation links. So I think besides that, like Sameer ji is saying, nothing major has been done, but just making it more consistent with our brand, or that's what I would believe, right? Or just relevant.
And we also have to look at it from a mobile perspective, because not everybody's viewing our website from the desktop or a laptop. It has to be mobile friendly as well. So we're looking at all types of possible options on how we can make it better. Of course, if you scroll at the very bottom, you can see all the social media accounts over there. You can see the volunteer registration. So all of that has been added. One advantage of that is that traffic flows both ways. So you can go to your social media accounts from here, and also from there people can come here. So we have ensured that it's very all round from that perspective, but of course there is room for improvement.
That's great.
Sonia, but
Thank
the
you.
idea is to make this website more like, like the one that we had, or, the privileges that we had during the Canada East and West event.
Yeah, that would be great.
So
Yeah.
that's our goal, but I guess we'll get there.
Okay.
Right. Yeah, so Sonia जी, जहाँ तक मेरा जो डिस्कशन हुआ था गुप्ता जी के साथ में, तो बेसिकली उनका जो कंसर्न था, there was couple of things. One was we had to take a decision about the host for our website. वो एक डिस्कशन चल रहा है. Ekal USA had been asking us to kind of move to ekal.org. एक वो डिस्कशन sort out करना है, and we have to take a decision about that one. And secondly, in terms of the content of on the website, तो उसे frequently update करने का, और जो भी हम कर रहे हैं तो उसके बारे में कुछ feed जाने का, तो that was another discussion. The overall, my impression, Subhash ji may know more about this thing, but my impression was that जो हमारा वेबसाइट अभी currently है, that is functional. इसमें जो चीज़ें हमें चाहिए, information चाहिए, इसमें donation के बारे में link चाहिए, और social media link वगैरह, तो वो सारी चीज़ इसमें हैं. But as Samir ji said, इसमें improvements और होने चाहिए, which is looks like is already happening. Samir ji working with Samir Thakkar ji, Mati ji, ये लोग कर रहे हैं. तो that's great. मैं सिर्फ एक रिक्वेस्ट ये करूँगा कि ये जो टेक्नोलॉजी साइड ऑफ दिस थिंग है, उसमें दीपक बंसल जी और परिमल श्वेता, जो आपका जो ग्रुप है, कमेटी है, वो भी उसमें शामिल होते हैं, उसमें देखने. Sahil obviously is the expert. He has created this website and he's updating this from time to time. पर हमें थोड़ा एक और, like we have to expand on that technology capability side. और इस डिस्कशन में दीपक जी, आपका नाम आया था कि हम लोग अभी, I know we are focused on a little bit more on other things like database and collaboration space etc. लेकिन वेबसाइट की फंक्शनिंग जो है, उसमें और क्या इंप्रूवमेंट वगैरह होने हैं, उसमें फ्रॉम टेक्नोलॉजी पर्सपेक्टिव, फ्रॉम IT पर्सपेक्टिव, योर इनपुट्स विल आल्सो बी रिक्वायर्ड एंड अप्रिशिएटेड. तो बाकी जो टीम उसमें काम कर रही है, उसमें अगर आप भी, if you can also kind of be part of that from time to time, that'll be good.
Sure, Sandeep ji. This is Deepak here. Actually, today I'm working with some errands that I have to fix.
Yeah.
They came at the last minute, so my apologies. Actually, for the website also, I was reached out a couple of times. Again, those are very small asks, but I was busy, so there are some work that has come my way in last couple of months. But these are small and very simple things. If you like, even we can train the people within our team as well, because these kind of updates will be asked every now and then, and it's but obvious. It is good that we keep this website very modular in that case, because as we do programs or as we upload the information or the new information comes in, we need to update. So these are very, very simple things, and maybe, owing to my own tight schedule, I can train one person on this that you guys can nominate, and then at least for the most of the things, if not all, that can be taken care of. The discussion of the Ekal US, that I will defer to you. You guys will be better equipped to make the appropriate decision. But certainly we are at a point wherein for this domain registration, we might like to also go for some more offerings that may be available and pay some more, because now we are getting slightly bigger as a team, and our requirements are also getting more perhaps demanding. So whether we go to or merge ourselves with the US and or keep ourselves in terms of our features that we have today, on the domain side of things, we may like to expand on that. That will be my 2 cents on this website topic.
तो भारती जी और समीर जी इस विषय में आपकी मतलब is it kind of under our scope in terms of all the discussions happening? आप तो उसमें already participate कर रहे हैं या is more about right now the content?
We haven't begun discussing with the US team yet, but the reason why we opted for this and everything is because, of course, they're very slow in terms of response. Right. And we need to have a very mobile website. Like you need to be able to update it very quickly and in short notice. So for now, this is serving our purpose pretty well. But I know that we want to expand it in some fashion ourselves. What Samir Thakkarji was saying that the US is perhaps thinking of moving to an even better website. So the US team themselves are looking at a website upgrade. So if that happens, and if we get a responsive team there, and if we get a good spot, then of course we can move it to that. But until that happens, we have to continue with this website or look at ways to upgrade this. Until then, we can't move and join with the US team.
Sure. Okay. So I think to summarize, looks like a lot of discussions are happening about the website. अभी जो हमारा ये है is still serving the purpose. मेरे हिसाब से तो काफी अच्छे कंडीशन में है अभी भी, but there are opportunities from more features and better hosting point of view, etc. तो both those things should be looked into. तो सुभाष जी, I know कि board जो meeting हुई थी उसमें इसके बारे में कुछ चर्चा हुई थी. तो you please let us know कि इसमें फिर what is expected. हमारी टीम से तो भी already लोग इसमें हैं ही, लेकिन अगर like if we want kind of a little bit more accelerated discussions and some decisions, तो उसके लिए फिर we'll have to set separate meetings and discussions, or I think that should be coming from Gupta ji and Samir ji. So from our side, I think from GTA side, I think Samir ji, Bharti ji, Deepak ji, I think they are the key leaders in this discussion. और जहाँ पर भी उन्हें ज़रूरत पड़ेगी तो they will be pulling other resources from team. ठीक है सुभाष जी? सुभाष जी?
हाँ जी, yeah, that's fine. हाँ जी, ठीक है.
आप बता देंगे फिर जैसे आगे जो करना है, right? ठीक है. चलिए फिर I think enough said on this topic. We'll get back to our agenda. So okay, Bharti ji, Samir ji, thank you very much. Anyone else wants to say something? Pooja, I can see you there as well. And yeah. So किन्हीं को और कुछ भी ऐड करना है इस टॉपिक पर, सोशल मीडिया एंड वेबसाइट ऑपरेशंस टॉपिक पर?
Pooja, is anything you want to add? I'm not sure if Samir ji or myself forgot something that might
Sure. So I think everything is covered, Bharti ji. I think only thing we may need to address is, which GTA chapters we need to prioritize in terms of something that we spoke about. So we are focusing. Our next step is focusing also on collaborating with GTA chapter. With chapter heads or different chapters. So we'll try to do that and see how we can engage community active and get on social media. So we will connect with some of the chapter heads very soon, I think. That's something Bharti ji has covered, just to elaborate.
Thanks, Pooja.
Sure. Okay, fantastic. Thank you so much for that update. Okay. We'll move forward to the next topic. So that is Deepak ji, since you are there, agar aap kabhi, if you want to speak about the committee on the operational committee, database admin and IT, etc. You want to add anything? Say anything?
No, I think it is the way we spoke more or less the last time.
Right.
That Parimal ji was doing the data cleansing.
Right.
Okay, and it was at the advanced stage, and there were some questions of the columns addition and all. Okay. So exact status will be better known to Parimal ji, so I'll defer to him. But other than that, I think it is pretty much where we left it off last time.
दीपक जी, आपसे बात नहीं हो पाई है, लेकिन सुभाष जी से बात हुई थी मेरी. सारे नाम, एड्रेस, ईमेल वगैरह मैंने एक करके सुभाष जी को भेजे हैं। अब उसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, मैंने भारती जी और संदीप जी से भी बात की थी कि कुछ नाम एक ही है, अलग अलग तरीके से स्पेल हुए हैं, कुछ नाम ऐसे हैं सुभाष जी ने देखा उसके बाद कि उसमें कुछ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स हैं, तो वो क्लीन अप बाकी है। सो द डेटाबेस इज ऑन द फाइनल स्टेज। इफ आई कैन गेट सम मोर टाइम फ्रॉम सुभाष जी, a humble request, maybe 3-4 hours in a week or so, that can be finalized. सुभाष जी, आप हमें कब समय दे सकते हैं?
You can do it during the week. ये coming week में आप मुझे बताइए किस दिन आपका
सर आप मुझे कभी भी फोन कर लीजिए, पर 11 बजे के बाद करें।
ठीक है।
2 घंटे के, क्योंकि आपको मैं फोन करता हूँ, कभी आप ड्राइव करते होते, कभी बिजी होते हैं, तो आपका स्केड्यूल मुझे पता नहीं रहता है। पर मैं फ्री हूँ, मैं हमेशा खाली बैठा होता हूँ। खाली मैं मंडे शाम को और फ्राइडे शाम को मैं फ्री नहीं हूँ। बाकी कभी भी फोन कर ले ड्यूरिंग द डे टाइम, हम बैठ जाएंगे, बैठ के निपटा लेंगे। वो फाइनल हो जाए तो आगे मेरा प्लान है दीपक जी, एक ऐसा हो सकता है, या तो एक छोटी सी ऐप बन सकती है डेटा एंट्री के लिए, जो एक EXE बना के मैं भेज सकता हूँ, या अगर आप everybody is comfortable with Excel or Google Sheets, we can try to develop a form in Excel or Google Sheet for data entry so that the format remains the same.
So what we will do is we will talk about it offline. Parimal ji, I have some thoughts and then we can go from there. But specifically to answer your question, I think to start with the Excel may be a better idea because all of us may be little or slightly more comfortable going to our easiness on the Excel sheet. But as a go-to model for sure, putting it as an executable will be a better idea, but maybe we may defer it for now for 3 to 6 months.
Okay.
Now, since we are going in the direction where we may like to extend it further, and it is for a purpose that I'm touching with everyone on the call, is that once we have the database, we should try to now extend it to the YouTube also, because nowadays with the virtual events, those are being done by us. Therein, we are doing it via YouTube, more or less. Since they are being done at the YouTube, people are logging in there. A lot of people who are logging into YouTube, they are already among us, which is okay. But there are also people who are logging in otherwise. Some of them, of course, could be Ekal USA or Ekal India, but there are, of course, other people as well. So once we have this database, which seems to be, it is in a shape and form that is quite mature. Now we need to kind of have those inputs also coming in. But this is, for now, it is a food for thought. Okay, not jumping the gun, but that may be our idea here, so that before the next YouTube event happens, by then we are ready for it. And at that point in time, this data that we have already assimilated, it becomes very easy to have the data coming in from the YouTube as well at that point in time. I'm not sure, but it may be a good idea at that time for the events now that we are doing virtually to have a YouTube Premium also as an account. It just helps because your data collection and your some of the features which are available in the Premium also become available to all of us.
Deepak ji, I have a small question. जैसे ये YouTube वगैरह पे जाने से, by the way, first of all, मुझे इन चीज़ों की ज़्यादा समझ नहीं है. Just a question, thought came into my mind. हमारा जो डाटा वगैरह है, इसकी सेफ्टी एंड सिक्योरिटी कैसे है?
सर हम उल्टा कर रहे हैं, आपकी बात बिल्कुल ठीक है. आई कैन कम टू दैट आल्सो, दैट हम YouTube से डाटा ले रहे हैं इस वक्त. इस केस में हमारे पास जो डाटाबेस बन गया है, अब हम ये कह रहे हैं कि अगर YouTube पे कोई आदमी आया, हो सकता है वो कोई नया आदमी आया 2 मिनट के लिए या पूरे इवेंट के लिए, हम उसको भी कैप्चर करना चाह रहे हैं इस वक्त. तो वी आर ट्राइंग टू कैप्चर द इंफॉर्मेशन. टू आंसर योर क्वेश्चन, टुडे, बिलीव इट और नॉट, एनीथिंग ऑन द YouTube, Facebook, Instagram is all highly compromisable. I should not say this out loud, but it's a fact. Whatever is on the WhatsApp, whatever we put on the WhatsApp, and it is all can be very easily compromised. So I'm just telling for all of us here
Yeah.
that putting our accounting information, our personal information, that we should try to avoid as much as possible. People may say whatever, the Facebook, the Instagram, the Twitter, the WhatsApp, these are all highly unreliable source of social media. Again, they come for free, right? Always what you pay, what you get.
I was just reading on the somebody had sent a thing about Facebook. Joe, I'm not on Facebook, by the way. They were saying that Facebook, even when you are offline, even then they know they have all the information about you, whatever you're doing. कोई आपकी कोई दूसरों के साथ जो कोई conversation हो रही है, whatever you're doing, they have all that information. You are still connected with them, and they have it.
That's true.
Yeah, that's true. Generally, like obviously there are doubts about the way they handle our data and stuff. Fortunately, I don't think they are looking for much confidential information in our case. So, हमारा जो information जो we're going to be looking for essentially will be like usually just the email address and name, and potentially sometimes like phone number. And that is for the people who want to be knowing more about ACL, who want to be associated with ACL, who potentially might be volunteering with ACL. तो आई थिंक हमारे जो कंसर्न है बेसिकली इसके बारे में है कि लोग आते हैं फेसबुक पर या फिर यूट्यूब पर हमारा वीडियो देख रहे हैं, हमारी इन्फॉर्मेशन देख रहे हैं, दे माइट हैव इंस्पिरेशन इन दैट मोमेंट टू जॉइन अस फॉर और नो मोर अबाउट ACL या भी वॉलंटियर, तो उनके पास में वो इन्फॉर्मेशन हैंडी होना चाहिए वेयर लाइक दे कैन जस्ट क्लिक अ लिंक, put the information, and then we get to know they get in touch with us, right? तो मेरे हिसाब से दीपक जी, परिमल जी, ये जो आइडिया वाला लिंक है एक्सी वाला या फिर गूगल शीट काफ़ी यूज़ आता है, गूगल फॉर्म काफ़ी यूज़ आता है, तो आई थिंक दोज थिंग्स probably we should look into, and जो हमारे मैसेजेस जा रहे हैं फेसबुक पर, यूट्यूब पर जा रहे हैं, व्हाट्सएप पे जा रहे हैं, तो वहाँ पर वी कैन बी फ्रॉम टाइम टू टाइम सेंडिंग दैट लिंक so that people are easily prompted, for getting included in our subscription list or email list. And तो वो एक अच्छा रहेगा, इससे that I think that will help us in expanding our network. एक बात और मुझे करनी थी इसमें दीपक जी and परिमल जी की, one of the issues that we have been encountering, and I think this also came up in the board discussions, Subhash ji knows better about that, but concern was about the emails, जो email communication हमारे वर्क के साथ होता है, हमारे जो एकल का जो वाइडर ग्रुप है, 1200-1500 जो हमारे पास में emails वगैरह हैं, तो उनके पास जो communication जाता है उसके बारे में there was a bit of concern. We ran into some issues where some newsletter was sent urgently and we are not kind of ready for that. The exact role for the person to be distributing that email was not very clear. तो उसके बारे में I think सुभाष जी गुप्ता जी से मेरी एक बार बात हुई थी करीब 10 days पहले, तो उन्होंने इस बारे में मेंशन किया था. तो I just wanted to bring that to the table कि अगर if we are able to take it over, कि कोई न्यूज़लेटर जा रहा है, उसका जो कम्युनिकेशन जाना है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होना है मेलचिम्प के थ्रू में या some other program, if we can own that up, I think that would be great for ACL Canada. Subhash ji, I'm not sure, is that still the plan या फिर कुछ और बातचीत हो रही थी, शायद वंदना शाह जी से बात हो रही थी, like do you have an idea who's supposed to do that?
अभी that has still not been finalized, क्योंकि mostly अभी recently हम लोग MailChimp से ही भेज रहे हैं. So we have had different people handling this, ये जो delivery of the message है. So this is something, again, one of those things we have to finalize and just maybe hand it over to some committee, चाहे वो GCA की committee है. See, mostly क्या हो रहा है, sometimes these things are being sent centrally, कोई जो message होते हैं जो हमारा पूरा, and that was the whole idea of compiling all that database too, कि हमारे पास सभी chapters का सारा central database हो. उसके बाद once we are finalized, then we pass it on to all the chapter chairs, उनको बताने के लिए सबको उसको filter करके we give it back to them, that so that they know who their donors and supporters are, and then जैसे जैसे नए लोग ऐड होते हैं तो periodically उसको हम अपडेट करते रहेंगे. तो लेकिन जो भेजने का है वो भी sometimes we have been discussed कि let the chapter chairs send the data to their own database, and कई information होती हैं जो कि सेंट्रली जाती हैं, which is for example जो न्यूज़लेटर है, एकल ENL बोलते हैं हम लोग, एकल न्यूज़लेटर, that goes to everybody. So that can be sent centrally. So इसके ऊपर there are still points to be discussed.
Okay.
Can I
Can
can I say something?
Yes, please. Go ahead. Yeah.
I think distributing this information should be with the outreach team, because that should be in the scope of outreach team. That's what my opinion is.
उसको मैं दो पार्ट में बांटूंगा। तो एक चीज़ है कि अगर हम मेलचिम्प यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो मेलचिम्प में सारी जो ईमेल्स का लिस्ट है, नेम्स का लिस्ट है, तो दैट जो इंपोर्ट उसका जो इंपोर्ट होता है वो इंपोर्ट शुड कम फ्रॉम दैट जो आपका फाइनल जो लिस्ट है वहाँ से आना चाहिए, सो दैट लाइक वी हैव द लेटेस्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन, नो डुप्लिकेशंस, कोई स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक वगैरह नहीं हो करके, तो वो डेटाबेस से आएगा। आपका जो डेटाबेस जो फाइनल रहेगा वहाँ से इंपोर्ट होना चाहिए फ्रॉम टाइम टू टाइम, मे बी एवरी मंथ यू रिफ्रेश दैट। तो वो चीज़ लास्ट टाइम वी रैन इनटू इशू दैट वी डिड नॉट नो कि वो कब का अपडेटेड है। तो दैट पार्ट आई वुड लाइक टू काइंड ऑफ लीव दैट विद IT एंड टेक्नोलॉजी साइड। और जो कंटेंट उस पर है कि न्यूज़लेटर कैसे जाना है, मतलब न्यूज़लेटर में क्या जाएगा, ऑन दैट फ्रंट जो सोशल मीडिया और कंटेंट जो टीम है वहाँ पर उसके दे हैव अ रोल, पर कुछ तो होते हैं जैसे न्यूज़लेटर होता है। न्यूज़लेटर में there are a couple of people who are already dedicatedly working on that. So Sonal ji हैं, फिर आपकी इंदिरा वदेरा जी हैं, so they own that newsletter, they collect information from everyone, they prepare that. So हमारा जो help उन्हें चाहिए था, that was just purely in terms of sending it out. लेकिन ऑब्वियसली हम GTA के लिए या फिर अदरवाइज कुछ भी और हम कस्टमाइज कंटेंट भी बना सकते हैं। इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट द न्यूज़लेटर्स, सो वी कैन सेंडिंग अदर इन्फॉर्मेशन एज वेल, सो दैट कंटेंट शुड बी कमिंग फ्रॉम rest of the team, and mainly social media team will be active on that front, content team. They can, I think the issue that was being talked about was mainly about the just sending, mechanically sending that to the different people, then kind of tracking the responses.
We can talk about that later, maybe in person.
Right, ठीक है। I'll just leave this as a point to be discussed, and सुभाष जी आप एक बार बात करके थोड़ा क्लैरिटी ले लेंगे कि इसमें अगर like if they were expecting us to take a lead या फिर गुप्ता जी was supposed to be talking to वंदना जी, तो उसमें अगर हमारे ऊपर में है then it should be just very clear कि हमारे स्कोप में है, and then we can develop a plan on that. It should not be that difficult.
ठीक है।
ठीक है, तो anyone has anything to add on this topic for दीपक जी, परमल जी, or anybody has any questions, suggestions, कुछ भी thoughts आ रहे हैं इस topic पर?
सर मैं एक सवाल पूछ सकता हूँ समीर जी से?
Please go ahead.
समीर जी, आप वेबसाइट पे काम करते हैं, तो आर वी कलेक्टिंग द क्लिक्स एंड एनालाइजिंग द क्लिक्स, लाइक हाउ मेनी क्लिक्स एंड हाउ मेनी बीइंग कन्वर्टेड इनटू वॉलंटियर्स?
I'll have to ask Sahil on that, whether our platform is capable of doing that. But I think there should be an ability to do that. I think we should know what are the top 10, 15, 20 sites that we are getting clicks from. For example, कितने social media से आ रहे हैं, कितने Google से आ रहे हैं, कितने third party sites से आ रहे हैं. So those things we should know. I'll check with Sahil if we have the ability. I don't know if Deepak ji has a point on that, but right now I don't have that stat, but let me ask Sahil if it's possible to get that. It would be nice to get a report. And whether it's increased, right? We have made so many changes in the last 2 months.
Yeah.
Just it would be interesting to know if we have had a spike in traffic.
Yeah.
Okay, good point. Okay, तो फिर we'll just move on to next group. Media and PR. Sonia ji, you had taken a lead on that. आपने काफी अच्छा काम किया है last month to this month, so you want to, and Swati ji is there as well. So Sonia ji and Swati ji, if you want to speak about your activities and plans.
So far what we could do is a daily 130-second spot. It's more than 30 seconds though. It's running daily in the 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. slot in the show about Ekal, like a branding Ekal awareness ad. And we mentioned there the website as well and the fundraising thing as well, in case anybody's interested. But interview, we could play once for 2.5 minutes or 3 minutes interview it was, and we could play it once.
I plan to do it later again because it's a recorded one and it covers all the aspects as well, like fundraising and volunteer joining as well. So we plan to do it, play it here and there again. But if you want to change the content of the announcement or any new announcement we want to make in any given point of time, we can always create a new production and we can do it.
Swati ji, do you have the recording of the announcement or
I
of the
don't
interview?
have it because we get it at the end of the month, the logs. So I expect to get it this week.
Of the interview, you mean, or the announcement, or both?
Announcement I have announcement because we produce by ourselves, so I have that one. But the interview is since I have to extract it from the logs, so we generally get the logs by the end of the month. So I'll be able to get it at the end of the month. So it's done. I guess this week I should be able to get one.
Okay, that's amazing. So I think the purpose was to have this interview pre-recorded. So now it is. So Swati ji's asked the questions, I've answered them. थोड़ा मुझे ये जरूर लगा after hearing the interview कि थोड़ी हिंदी और mix हो सकती थी. So there's always scope for making things better. So we can keep thinking.
Yeah. We can always re-record it like later on with the new content or the same content redone in a different way. So so that it looks appears fresh with the because we cannot be playing the same again and again as well. It becomes boring and monotonous.
Yeah. तो हम we'll release the interview to everyone. Feedback भी हम ले सकते हैं आप लोग से और आप हमें बताइएगा कि कैसा लगा आपको interview. So and we'll probably Swati ji maybe even release the announcement so that if there's any
that I have already sent announcement. I've already sent.
Okay. Is it on the volunteer WhatsApp chat?
I think, but I'll resend it in case.
एक resend बहुत great होगा. So I think it was very well timed because I think Christmas के holidays थे to I think Sameer you mentioned that's the time of giving, so Giving Tuesday we were targeting, and then अभी recently Swati ji संक्रांति के लिए हम लोग target कर रहे थे.
हाँ, तो हमने सारा ही किया था उसमें. अब we have to change a bit like because in the announcement I'm saying Giving Tuesday तो चला गया. So it can work, but I have to change that. I have to tweak it a bit. Yeah.
Okay. There was one more discussion that we've been having, and we'll leave that with this team. So this is the step one we took since our last meeting in November. तो हमने पूरा radio ad create किया, radio interview create किया, उसको release किया, तो उसको ongoing रखेंगे. That's one step we've taken. आज unfortunately हम release नहीं कर पा रहे हैं आप लोग को, but as soon as we have it, we will put it on WhatsApp. The other ongoing thing that we've always had support on is ZTV, for example. So कल संदीप जी और मेरी बात हो रही थी, तो हम चाहेंगे कि 2021 में हम फिर से ZTV की मदद से अपना एकल को और एक्सपोजर दें. तो लास्ट ईयर का इंटरव्यू अगर आप लोग चाहें तो मेरे पास YouTube प्रीमियम पे रिकॉर्डेड है. I can release it to everyone. But on the next step of that, some discussions have been कि हम अब next ZTV के साथ क्या promotion कर सकते हैं. और एक idea जो मैं आप लोग के पास छोड़ के जाऊंगी is to bring together in the interview maybe one youth, one young professional, and one ECA leader from Canada, and bring them together to show the the three I don't want to call it generations, but the three different types of volunteers that we've always encouraged, and then bring them together in a ZTV interview, start fresh with 2021. So that's an idea that we have been considering. So please take that away, and by next time we're hoping to come up with something more concrete, and the partnership will start. I think हमारा written में इतना अभी exposure नहीं है, लेकिन in partnership with Bharti ji and Sameer ji, and kind of integrating what you're putting on social media and try to kind of come up with more written exposure also is a goal which we haven't yet been able to really achieve. So that will be another goal for 2021.
बहुत अच्छी बात है सुनील जी एंड स्वाति जी, दैट्स रियली एनकरेजिंग. मैंने खुद जो आपका ये था जो प्री रिकॉर्डेड वर्जन था इसका एक इन्फॉर्मेशन का वो सुना था, बहुत ही अच्छा था. एंड स्वाति जी you have a great way of speaking और जिस तरह से प्रेजेंट करते हैं, that was really amazing. सोनिया जी likewise बहुत ही अच्छा काम हुआ था, was really very impressive, और that also under very tight timelines, so that's really appreciated. जहाँ तक ZTV का बात है, I really feel that that's a great opportunity. In fact, अभी हाल में for some reason I had to interact with ZTV through Chariji, and ZTV ने एक coverage हमें दिया था actually for sister organizations event Hindi Guild का. उसमें within 2 days they created such a beautiful coverage. We had given them some YouTube link and some flyers and some text information. और उसको लेकर के उन्होंने 7 मिनट का एक इतना बढ़िया प्रोफेशनल वीडियो उन्होंने क्रिएट किया था, एंड दे एयर दैट ऑन द प्रोग्राम GTA राउंडअप में. वो काफ़ी अच्छा लगा, काफ़ी प्रोफेशनली
That's
डन.
great.
सो वाज वेरी इंकरेज्ड. चार्य जी का जो रिस्पांस था, वहाँ की टीम ने रिस्पॉन्ड किया एंड जिस तरह से प्रोड्यूस किया, तो आई वाज रियली फीलिंग कि एकल के लिए अगर हम उन्हें बात करेंगे, ऑब्वियसली दैट वाज थ्रू एकल, दैट वाज थैंक्स टू एकल. तो एकल के लिए अगर बात करेंगे तो उन्हें लाइक दे विल रियली बी हेल्पिंग अस आउट in production as well, not just in airing this thing and the interviews, but even production of some videos they can help us. अगर हम अपने content को उनके साथ में discuss करते हैं and we share some information things, so that's a huge opportunity there.
Sandeep ji, is it possible to have links for anything that's featured on ZTV GTA Roundup with Ekal, so we can always share it on social media?
हाँ, एक्चुअली दैट वाज अ प्लेजेंट सरप्राइज, क्योंकि हमेशा पहले होता था कि ये एयर हो गया लेकिन कब हुआ पता नहीं चल रहा था, राइट. तो इस बार एक्चुअली ये जो इवेंट जिसके बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ, तो उसमें एक्चुअली दे गिव अस 7 मिनट वीडियो लिंक जिसको मैंने डाउनलोड करने के बाद में उसको कन्वर्ट कर दिया था अंडर 64 MB एंड इजीली शेयरेबल ऑन व्हाट्सएप. तो वो फाइल को आप आराम से कहीं भेज सकते हैं. सो दैट वाज फर्स्ट टाइम आई थिंक वी सॉ दैट कमिंग फ्रॉम ZTV.
So could you please share that with me? So I will put it up on our social media.
वो एकल का नहीं है, वो एक्चुअली वो जो इवेंट था दैट वाज वो हिंदी राइटर्स गिल्ड का इवेंट था. एकल वाज इनवाइटेड एज वन ऑफ द व्हाट यू कॉल फ्रेंड ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस. तो उस चीज का था. मैं आई विल शेयर दैट विद यू टू गेट एन आइडिया, बट इट्स नॉट एग्जैक्टली फॉर द लाइक एकल.
Yeah, but if there is any mention of Ekal in it,
It is,
and
yeah,
any presence in it, then I think even showing us as a friend partner on social media helps us.
Definitely.
That's great.
Sure.
Bharti ji, I think the last interview that Subhash ji, myself, and Chari ji gave, it's still relevant because it was kind of more just relevant to Ekal in general. And there is a YouTube link if you want to just even try experiment or something to start to see how this can go up on social media. And then as soon as we have more 2021 fresh links to send you, I think that'll be great to bring those up. So like the radio interview can be a link, even though it's a voice interview, but the video interview from last year, I think it's still very relevant, even if you want to try out how it comes up and everything.
Yeah, Sonia, definitely. I've made a note, like digging into GTA Roundup YouTube videos from the past.
That's great.
Where we can identify Ekal. But going back and knowing exactly if you can, if you have a link to share it. Otherwise, it's very difficult to find.
I'll share it with you.
I'm waiting for your interview because we can always use that audio and attach some pictures to it and create a very nice content.
Yeah, that'll be great.
Exactly. मैं वही कहने वाला था.
We will just send it within this week, I guess. It's just first week of February. I should be able to get the file.
Yeah, that would be fantastic, Swati. Thank you.
Yeah, no worries.
बात जो आइडिया काफी अच्छा है. वो आप कह रहे हैं जो ऑडियो लेकर के उसमें इमेजेस ला करके अगर वीडियो बना सकते हैं तो दैट बी ब्यूटीफुल. So वही मैंने देखा कई बार हमारा काफी कुछ काम हो चुका है. 80% work is done.
They're very good at doing that, so I'm sure we can use their skills there.
Yeah, sure. He'll
we can do a small segment. I don't know how, it's just popping up as an idea. Maybe on the social media or different platforms, maybe on mine or anywhere. Like an Ekal update, it can be a regular segment where we can give any small or big update. It can be 30 seconds, it can be 15 seconds, but it is a regular feature or segment on our social media pages, or like a like a small magazine. The update, it can be weekly, it can be bi-weekly.
I think that's there is I mean, any exposure is never bad, right? So that sounds like a good idea, and I'm thinking the more you'll do it, the more it will develop.
Yeah, so like how many schools now, suppose they are, last time it was, now we have been upgraded to these many schools, now these many projects. So any update which is which we can throw out, these many volunteers in Canada, It can be number, it can be events, it can be our projects, but like an Ekal update. So it's just an awareness again what we do, but a regular segment.
Yeah, no, I think, Swati, that's a wonderful idea. And we can always, through that segment, we can always reach out to, for our next goal, right? Like if you're looking for volunteers or if you're looking for whatever, right? So I think that's a wonderful idea. Adding to that, anything that you do on, that you're doing, in your radio program, I think what would be good is to get some kind of a video or an audio clip that we can share on social media, because people always like to see behind the scene, a little update or any fun element. Share, and we will create it into a very nice content.
What I'll do is next time, because we are not going to studios nowadays, that's a catch. So we are doing everything from home. But when I'm going to do studio next time, what I'll do is I'll do a live announcement and I'll capture that and I'll send you the clip rather than playing the recording. Or when I'm recording it, even I'll just share a small video of recording it in the the voiceover and all. So again, it becomes a BTS video.
Yeah, sure. And share with us any content and we'll try to make some sense out of it.
Okay, yeah, got it. Yeah,
Bharti ji, I was also wondering if the Ekal newsletter can be a feed for media posting.
100%, Sonia. We can the newsletter, we can always make it, convert it into a format that's best suitable for social media platform, and share. But the idea is to share the content of the newsletter, right? We can absolutely incorporate that as part of our contents.
Great.
ये काफी अच्छा आइडिया, ये न्यूज़लेटर्स को कन्वर्ट करने का इन मोर सोशल मीडिया फ्रेंडली फॉर्मेट, दैट वुड बी वेरी यूजफुल. अच्छा, बात जिसमें एक चीज और है, जो इंडिया का जो न्यूज़लेटर है, दैट्स वेरी फ्रीक्वेंट, आई थिंक इज मंथली, इफ आई नॉट मिस्टेकन अबाउट दैट. तो उसमें काफी अच्छे अपडेट आते हैं, पिक्चर्स भी काफी अच्छे आते हैं, स्टैट्स काफी अच्छे आते हैं. तो मे बी दैट एक्चुअली कैन बी अ सोर्स फॉर अस टू ब्रिंग रूटीन अपडेट्स through both media channels, like conventional media as well as social media.
Like we can have a synchronized approach for this kind of updates in social media and other medias. Like whatever content once created, be it 15 seconds or 30 seconds or 1 minute, we can share it, and other person can utilize as up to their by the way they can use it once the content is shared.
Bilkul. Yeah, that's true. Synchronized approach is very important. Like काफी कुछ effort हो रहा है, अगर वो like if you can use one for the benefit of the other, that saves us time and gives us more mileage from the effort. Sure. Okay, that's fantastic. बहुत अच्छा सोनिया जी and स्वाति जी, भारती जी, काफी great discussion, great points. किन्हीं और को कुछ भी इसमें ऐड करना है, कोई कमेंट करना है, कुछ सजेशन देना है टीम में on this topic? Conventional media, NPR.
One more thing, whenever we have an event and we, चाहे वो सैटरडे को है, मेरा शो क्योंकि मंडे टू फ्राइडे होता है, अगर मुझे 2 दिन पहले ये सिग्नल मिल जाए कि वी वांट टू अनाउंस इट ऑन द रेडियो, बल्कि 1 हफ्ता पहले, तो मैं कोशिश कर सकती हूँ कि उसको कम से कम फॉर अ वीक आई कैन रन इट. गाइस गो देयर. आई नो बिकॉज सोशल मीडिया पे होता है आजकल, वैसा फिजिकल इवेंट्स नहीं होते. But if you want to campaign it over the radio as well, so it's always good if I have this information. We want to campaign for this event, क्योंकि हर event को हम campaign करना चाहें जरूरी नहीं होगा शायद, क्योंकि हर कोई Canada point of view से शायद हम लोगों के लिए नहीं होगा. Sometimes we are just the participants, sometimes we are it's Ekals only. तो sometimes I'm not clear कि मैं इसके बारे में mention करूँ या नहीं करूँ अपने आप से. So it's always good if I get it from the committee कि भाई ये announce आप कर दो इसका, तो कम से कम for a week I can announce if I know it in advance.
Yes, to your idea on Ekal updates, right? You can create, say, 3 or 4 Ekal update content that you can announce. I'm sure Sanjeev and Subhash can provide their inputs on
the content,
on the best articulation and verbiage. But I think that's a fantastic thing to go forward with. I mean, why delay? I mean, it's a great idea.
Yeah, I can do it once a week or bi-weekly, whatever it depends how much update we have, the amount of update. If we know that it's once a week we can have it, I can do that. If it's once in 2 weeks, I can do that as well. I can create a segment and we can go ahead with that, and then we can do it on social media as well.
I think the current updates probably could be, you know, that we are you know, expanding more into Arogya and Gramothan, right? And giving an update on school status. Maybe that's something you can start from, and maybe 1 or 2 events to get us rolling.
Yeah.
And then I'm sure we will be able to improvise and we will be able to come up with more ideas down the line. But let's get started on this. I really like this idea of yours.
So what we can do is, I need a caption, good caption for the segment. Ekal update would be nice, but one caption which people can relate to. We will figure, if you have anything like a caption already in some social media, we are already using it, that would be better because it's already circulating, or in relation to Ekal, or I'll create something and we can then because that would be the segment title which will go on every time, and then the content would change.
Yeah. No, so Swati, that's a fantastic idea. So, you know, I mean, you are very creative here, right? So why don't you propose a couple of titles, and I'm sure, you know, other creative people would like to add, and then we can improvise on that.
Okay, sure. दर्शी जी कुछ कहना चाह रहे हैं? आप म्यूट पर हैं?
दर्शन जी, आप मैं आपके पास ही आने वाला था, प्लीज.
Just thinking of the title, can we call it one suggestion, Ekal moment of the day in your radio show, and then you can do different things.
Okay.
Updates or announcements. Just title Ekal moment of the day.
मैं लिख लेती हूँ ये भी as a suggestion, and while I'm working, I'll definitely take it into consideration.
Thank you.
Sure.
Actually, that's not bad, Sudarshan ji. That sounds pretty nice. Ekal moment, you know. So it at least draws attention to people wanting to hear what is an Ekal moment. I mean, that's something we can definitely start with.
The moment of the day. Okay, I've sent it in the group so that we all remember this.
तो इसमें दो चीज सजेस्ट करूंगा. सॉरी, भारती जी और सोनिया जी एंड स्वाति जी, मेरे ख्याल से यहाँ पर.
Sorry, is that Ekal movement or moment?
Moment, I think they say moment.
Moment है, मैंने movement समझा.
Yeah, it's moment, like in a specific time.
moment.
Yeah.
Right.
Moment. The text came out as movement, so I just wanted to clarify that.
No, Ekal moment of the day. Yeah.
That's right. It's a specific timeline. Yeah, good stuff.
That's right.
I like that. Right.
Okay. Thank you.
Bharati ji और सोनिया जी और स्वाति जी, if I can suggest, I think इसमें काफी potential है, काफी अच्छे ideas हैं, and cross utilization of work being done by like the two teams, ये काफी इसमें potential है. तो would you like to host a different, you know, एक और session आप इसके लिए अलग से कर लेंगे, social media and दोनों जो कमिटीज हैं, अगर एक अलग मीटिंग कर लेंगे तो आई थिंक दैट मे बी इन अ कपल ऑफ वीक्स टाइम, तो ज्यादा और इसको टाइमलाइन बना सकते हैं, इसमें क्या चीजें करनी है, लाइक वी कैन प्रायोरिटाइज थिंग्स. भारती जी एंड सोनिया जी, you'll be okay with that?
Sorry, you got disconnected. You were like breaking in the middle. So
अच्छा, आवाज नहीं आ रही थी. I'm sorry. मैं जस्ट ये सजेस्ट कर रहा था कि इसमें काफी पोटेंशियल है, तो एक मीटिंग अगर सोशल मीडिया कमेटी और जो मीडिया कमेटी है वो अगर साथ में एक मीटिंग अगर ऑर्गेनाइज कर लेंगी, एंड आई एम हैप्पी टू जॉइन देयर, या कोई और ज्वाइन करना चाहे, राजेश जी ज्वाइन करना चाहें, तो थोड़ा सा एक और ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग इसके बारे में कर लेते हैं. आई थिंक बहुत अच्छे आइडियाज आए हैं, लॉट ऑफ पोटेंशियल. तो नेक्स्ट 2-3 महीने का ज्वाइंट प्लान कर लेंगे इसमें, तो विल बी ग्रेट.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah, we can coordinate a time and we can have it.
हाँ जी, 1 घंटे का सेशन कर लेते हैं उसके लिए. ठीक है, बहुत अच्छी बात है. सुदर्शन जी, well we got you on the video. आप other than that particular point, so मैं आपसे ऐसे पूछने वाला था. You have any other comments on any topics so far?
No, not really.
अच्छा. आप वहाँ पर बस आप हैं और हमें देख रहे हैं. हमें ये देखकर काफी अच्छा, we feel really you know happy and secure कि somebody senior is kind of watching over entire thing. कहीं पर भी आपको कुछ भी लगता है, सजेशन आप ध्यान में आता है, बात आती है, तो प्लीज आप स्पीक अप करें.
Definitely, if anything else comes in my mind, I'll let you know.
Thank you. Okay, so next, Rajesh Prasad ji, Rajesh Paruja ji, if I can invite you, discussions, कुछ like आपके जो thoughts हैं. I know भी काफी busy रहा था last couple of months. तो अभी whatever update you have, whatever thoughts you have in your mind on the donor relations and new outreach.
है कुछ मेरे पास, वो मैं आपसे अलग बात करूंगा.
ठीक है जी. Okay.
Right. So yeah. So from my end, I personally haven't done much work on it. I did actually, over the past month, work with Subhashji to get some understanding of the donor setup. And, he gave me a little exercise around the donors. We got some a donation from the Kashmir group. And I didn't realize how, not overwhelming, but work intensive just to identify who these people are, communicate with them and get information back. The easiest part was to get the money. And we always think the hardest part is to get the money, right? But to get the money, then identify with these people, ask them for further information. It's a major task. And I kind of wanted to just relate that to everybody in the group that, getting the money is actually almost the easy part, and I'm kind of repeating myself. But for that point, when we are reaching out to people and trying to get their money, I think we're going to come up with a sort of a system where we're trying to provide the information. That we also want.
I'm
sorry.
All
right. We should also kind of have. I know we already have it in place, but just like some indicators, this is a must sort of information that we need to get alongside this donation as well. And I'm going to continue working with Subhashji on this one. We spoke up to last week, and we're finalizing the donor list. In the next weeks to months, myself, Raj Baluja ji, and other part of the committee will reach out to some of these donors, and we're going to get feedback and continuous kind of appreciation on the support as well. So that's one thing that I know I'm tasked with, and my team members are going to be working on. And out of the two major items that we talk about, what's ACL standing for, right? One, it's donations, and two is awareness. So, we spoke a lot on the awareness, and now it comes down to, let's put that awareness into some donations / money, right? So we'll continue working on that. We just need to have everybody talk to their people, and, and get in front of them for some of these donations as well, right? But from the donor list, I'm still waiting to finalize that with Subhashji. And looking forward to getting it anytime soon, so we can start our work on that as well. That's really what it is from the donor relationship part of it for now.
Right.
But a lot more to come for sure.
बिल्कुल. एक इन्फॉर्मेशन सोच रहा था कि we should start thinking in terms of कि हम कितने अब हमारे डोनर्स को रिटेन कर पा रहे हैं year over year. लास्ट ईयर अगर 300 लोगों ने डोनेट किया, तो इस साल अगर हमारे पास में 250 लोगों ने डोनेट किया, तो कितने उसमें से हैं जो कि रिपीट हैं, कितने नए हैं, एंड so we understand who dropped off and for what reason. वो एक थोड़ा सा I think that information is there. समीर ठक्कर जी के पास में होना चाहिए, सुभाष जी के पास होना चाहिए, लेकिन if you use that basically for kind of prioritizing our contacts to them.
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course, by all means, and this is something that I am working with Subhashji on as well. Once we kind of have that finalized, I think that's our launching pad, our platform to get things started, and we'll have so much more information to work with that we can always use a lot of these parameters to kind of identify, or want to call them KPIs or whatever the case may be, right? To kind of identify how we need to approach the situation better, right? We're again just looking for that information, and information is key to this. So as soon as we get that,
एक बार जब database सारा complete हो गया, once we are on the track, currently like all updated, so then I think it is then we'll be able to identify all these things, and it is actually a very very important part, क्योंकि जो हमारे नए डोनर आते हैं वो तो आते हैं, लेकिन जो पुराने वाले हैं उनको to make sure that we are also connected with them time to time, and we're getting their contributions as well.
Exactly. And just wanted to, on that same note, when you gave me that list of the Kashmiri group as well, once I reached out to them, there were people in there that wanted to also affiliate with our group, and I thought that was actually even more invigorating, because apart from just getting their money, they're also willing to volunteer with us or work with us and be a part of our organization, which means a lot. So, you know, these are added advantages of reaching out to people as well. So I think that there's more to it than just the money that we can be garnering here, right?
Well, sometimes किसी एक बंदे का किसी का एड्रेस लेने के लिए you have now experienced it. How many times you have to really chase them, you know?
Which is what I was saying. Getting the money was the easy part.
All we need is their mailing address, because which is a part of the it's a requirement by the CRA, so that we can issue them a tax receipt. Otherwise, we cannot issue a tax receipt. लेकिन उसके लिए कभी-कभी 4-4 बार उनको फोन पे ट्राई करो या ईमेल
not more.
Anyway,
that's why I was saying, you know, go ahead.
I'm just going to add that if we need more volunteers for this initiative, I had put my hand up that I'm happy to help if needed. And I feel like there are other youth volunteers who will also be happy to help in an initiative like this if needed.
मुझे लगता है इसमें जरूरत पड़ेगी सोनिया जी, eventually once we are all on track, once we get this this thing rolling on a regular basis. Again, a very important task of any organization, especially हमारी organization के लिए. So we always have I have a list of people, you know, whom we did receive in 2019, but 2020 में somehow we missed them as donors. So we really have to concentrate on that part, and उसके लिए manpower की जरूरत पड़ेगी. So Rajesh ji, you know, and
we'll definitely reach out.
Yes, will take over on that. Yeah.
Thank you, Sonia ji.
बहुत अच्छी बात. That's fantastic. Okay, so with that we'll move further. EYPA next topic था. EYPA के बारे में I don't have much to say here. हम लोग एक event try करना चाह रहे थे. That was planned for Sankranti, could not happen, and that was essentially जहाँ पर we wanted to call a meeting for all the ECL young professional volunteers. लेकिन उसमें अभी बहुत अच्छा response नहीं आ पाया था, and I just could not complete that thing. So यहाँ पर एक थोड़ा gap है, and I'm looking for someone to step up, maybe not like maybe a couple of people to step up to take leadership on the EYPA front. ये हमारा जो board है उसमें again identify किया है this is a high priority topic and area. तो उसमें I need some help if we can kind of reinvigorate the EYPA का जो भी हमारा plan था, उसमें कुछ लोगों को जोड़ करके एक एटलीस्ट critical mass बनाने का, and then starting some sort of like, you know, bi-weekly or monthly discussions, and then associating with other organizations. So we have some thoughts, but I needed some people on that front. तो अगर किन्हीं को इस बारे में इंटरेस्ट है या थोड़ा समय निकाल सकते हैं तो प्लीज let me know. We can have a talk separately about what needs to be done, and you know how we can kind of divide the work, and we can try to take that to some sort of logical progress.
Samir ji might be interested in helping with that. I mean, I would be.
Samir ji, if you're up for that, that will really help us. This has been kind of sitting with us for some time, and we do need to make some progress here. अगर आप इसमें कुछ help कर सकते हैं, then I'll certainly connect with you. We can brainstorm about that and see, you know, what's feasible. At least we need to get it off the ground.
Definitely, I can have a look at that.
हाँ जी, sure, fantastic. अच्छा, मुझे लगता है कि विनोद गुलाटी जी ने ज्वाइन किया है शायद अभी. विनोद जी या मोना जी ने ज्वाइन किया, I'm not sure.
It's still connecting right now.
अच्छा, ठीक है, चलो उनसे बात करते हैं फिर हम लोग. Okay, so those are about. Hello. हेलो विनोद जी, मोना जी, आप सुन पा रहे हैं हमें? ओके, विल कम बैक टू देम. अच्छी बात है फिर. अच्छा, सो लास्ट टॉपिक अंडर डिस्कशन टुडे वाज कि 2021 के लिए हमें थोड़े से ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग करनी है कि हम किस तरह के इवेंट्स कर सकते हैं. Objectives again being the awareness and fundraising. तो इसमें कोई I mentioned a few things here from this was from the last meeting. Photo contest, weekly by weekly kind of talk sessions with speakers and partnering with some other organizations. So those are a few things which were kind of discussed earlier. Other than that, इस साल के कैलेंडर में हमारे पास में क्या होने चाहिए, तो उसके बारे में if you can just give your thoughts, anyone please come forward and mention कि क्या करना चाहिए इस साल, given that we are still in the COVID world, and but so that's an advantage and disadvantage from technology perspective. Certainly बहुत सारे events आजकल virtually हो रहे हैं, so that's a huge advantage in conducting the events with the low overhead and lower efforts as against in-person event. But challenge being कि लोगों का attention span थोड़ा सा कम होता है उसमें, and actually they're translating into the donations. वो थोड़ा सा question again that's a little bit tricky. But given all that, क्या ideas हैं आपके पास में? Like if anyone can take a lead and speak about that, and we can all then join as well.
Sandeepji, in May, Lions Club, I remember in 2017, Lions Club had done an event in May, which was very, very successful in terms of participation.
Okay.
I was thinking, May being the beginning of the year, and October, November being towards the end of the year, if we plan 2 events this year, targeting one in May and the other one sometimes around October, November month. And that's something we could look at. Our virtual Sanjeevani was a big success, and identifying any other singer or a stand-up comedian or a mix of whatever, we can go on those lines.
बिल्कुल. That's great. बहुत अच्छी बात है. Sure. ये काफी अच्छे आइडियाज हैं. I think virtual concert last year was a big success. तो वो डिफाइन करना चाहिए. मेरा ऐसा स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन अच्छा आइडियाज है. For sure. ये जो मई और अक्टूबर नवंबर की बात कर रहे हैं, उसमें जो इवेंट हम कह रहे हैं वो कनाडा स्पेसिफिक इवेंट की बात कर रहे हैं, या फिर we already have some event being planned by the US and stuff, जहाँ पर like we are talking about co-participation?
I'm thinking more like, why don't we can piggyback if you want. We can even do our own independent. We don't have to do very big. We can do one small, one big, but pacing them out would probably be the key. Otherwise, because we had very back-to-back July and September, if you remember Canada East, Canada West, it became very difficult to get more audience and even donors because they were so close. Because we are a small chapter. Canada is a very small chapter. We depend on the entire Canada for participation, so that's the reason why I was suggesting, if you're doing 2 events, maybe we're not too late to plan something for May, and that could be, and that has been a successful month, at least. I'm not sure how it turns out for virtual, but in-person events for May has been successful. A lot of organizations do plan around that time. So it's up to us. I mean, it depends upon our budget. It depends upon a lot of things. Our team, what we want to do, how we want to do, whether we want to do it with US, we want to do it independently. It'll all come back to, I think it will come back to the budget to start with.
Right.
Bharti ji, I would like to just add on to the हमारे events के लिए, Sheetal has been working with the Ekal US event committee के साथ. तो जो हमारी event committee है should make a contact with Sheetal and find out what exactly they are doing. So at least, especially what is her participation, and is she working on behalf of Ekal Canada as well, or जो भी है, तो शीतल से एक बार कांटेक्ट कर लीजिए. That's my request.
No, for sure. So Sheetal is working on USA. She's working with the USA event. But if Canada is looking for their own event, so I was speaking if Canada is looking for their own event, and of course, any input from Sheetal can help us, help us with making sure that our events are not overlapping and they're well paced.
Right. बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने भारती जी. तो आइडिया इसकी एकल इंडिया यूएस जो भी कर रहा है उसके साथ में तो हम पे बैक करेंगे ही, लेकिन साथ में हमारे अपने भी इवेंट होने चाहिए which should be kind of more customized for our as per our thoughts and ideas and plans. संजीवनी वाला इवेंट जो हमने किया था वो हमारा अपना स्पेशल इवेंट था, एंड उसका आई थिंक जो कंसेप्चुलाइजेशन था, उसका जो एग्जीक्यूशन था, दैट एक्चुअली आई फेल्ट वाज काइंड ऑफ बेटर than previous events. So we can always actually we can capitalize on customizing our events. एक चीज मेरे ध्यान में आ रहा था कि यहाँ पर हमारे पास जो लोकल टैलेंट्स हैं कनाडा के अंदर ग्रुप्स वगैरह हैं, तो it doesn't have to be big names. अगर they are even like kind of like अच्छा ग्रुप है, doesn't have to be like a real professional Bollywood kind of a group, but enthusiastic group है, we should try and do some mini events, क्योंकि इवेंट करने में थोड़ा like it's not really costing a lot. अगर हम 1-2 महीने में वो ट्राई कर सकते हैं, मतलब 2-3 महीने में, क्वार्टर में अगर एक ऐसा छोटा इवेंट भी कर सकते हैं, तो आई थिंक we should give it a try. म्यूजिक का हो सकता है, यहाँ पर म्यूजिक के ग्रुप्स वगैरह कई सारे काफी लोग हैं, वैसे चीजों को हम लोग ट्राई कर सकते हैं, लिटरेचर को लेकर कर सकते हैं, कॉमेडी को लेकर कर सकते हैं, तो कुछ हमें लोकल भी मेरे ख्याल से 2-3 ट्राई करना चाहिए.
Sandeep ji, also Sonia has been part of or gala or fundraisers with Aim for Seva. She can provide some insights on the difficulties that they face, or what was easy, what was hard, or any learning curve that they might have witnessed or gone through.
Okay.
Actually, so I was only part of it till last year, because after my involvement with ACAL, I didn't necessarily increase my involvement with Aim for Seva. I'm still more with them as a participant, as a donor this year. So I was part of the gala. My daughter also volunteers with them, so that also is a reason. But for sure, on the side, I can provide feedback once we have our event on what was some of the things I observed over there. One thing that I did bring to Bharti ji though, is ke unke event mein, I'm sure we can also achieve this. Unke jo, the kind of donors they have a very strong loyalty, it seems like, of donors, and it's immense. Even unka jo online silent auction tha, I can see if I have some information still. Just the kind of silent auction donors they had was phenomenal. And Bharti ji and I were talking about some things which are so small, but they can be so, amazing. They had even the local businesses, like, local restaurants, like good ones, Host, for example, who would donate $100 gift cards for silent auction. So बहुत popular था उनका silent auction की gifts बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छे थे. So definitely अगर हमें इस type के additional event पे काम करना है, तो उसके लिए I feel कि अभी से हमें contact करना चाहिए to local businesses, donors for those kind of gift cards, because they had good over 100 donors, I think, in their event for the silent auction. So वो बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे. और बाकी I can share more things with you later once we have more events buttoned up.
Sure. बहुत अच्छी बात है सुनिया जी, thank you for that. Rajesh ji, you have any thoughts on plans or events for this year? कुछ ख्याल आ रहा है अभी?
No, honestly, I haven't put my thoughts around that. I did read some emails coming through, from the USA side of things that they have some events. I mean, I'm always the first one to say, hey, what's Big Brother doing, right? And feed off them a little bit as well, right. And maybe just get an idea, and then we can, as you said, Sandeep ji, customize our own events, right? But at least we have some ideas going. They're a larger organization. They've been around longer. They have more involvement. Nothing wrong in feeding off them and trying to connecting with them earlier than later than doing a knee-jerk reaction. So if Sheetalji is already engaged with them, then at least we have an insight to what they're doing earlier than later. I think we should connect with them. That's one key part. Thanks.
I just have 2 quick points to make.
Yes,
one is that because you're talking about the year overall for 2021, one thing we have to look at is probably leading up to the giving season. So giving season is typically, say, September, October till December. That's usually when even companies encourage employees and workplace giving and things like that through their own websites and things like that. So everybody is encouraged to start giving. So we have to work towards that. And because this year is also going to be very few in-person events, we probably may be doing online events and everything will be remote. So then we have to think about more of an online strategy. So like Giving Tuesday and things like that, whatever's important during the giving season, we need to look towards that. And also perhaps later our social media and things like that will also be have to be in that direction. Like we have to encourage people to think about if they're giving an employee giving or something like that, that they think about Ekal Canada first. So those things will definitely come later on. Plus any fundraisers, if they want to do any fundraisers through GoFundMe or any such sites, we should encourage that, because if we're not going to have in-person events, then we highly depend on these kind of online fundraising to get our message out. So that's definitely one. Also, we have some very good content on social media which Bharti ji and everybody else does put out. I do see that many of our volunteers and many Ekal well-wishers share the content on their own page. One strategy we can deploy this year is, instead of sharing on our own page, we should share on external pages, which is our target donor and volunteer base. So just to give you an example, we have groups such as Indians in Toronto, or because this is a GTA, but we also have Indians in Canada, Indians in Vancouver. So things like that, and they have like 50,000 people on those groups. One of the groups has 104,000 people. So if we have to get our message out and get our content out, then one thing we have to think about is also taking the message out to them. And that's something we'll have to do this year more.
Yes, I absolutely agree with you. I did notice that Ekal Canada is, is part of many other groups like you mentioned, right? I think what we will have to do, because I rightly agree with you, we'll have to be very proactively, and every time, every single message post on any such identified groups, and Ekal Canada being part of more and other groups from various chapters and various regions as well, besides only Toronto. Because I noticed that we are, Ekal Canada has a lot of groups that are more Toronto based, GTA based, but we'll have to expand to other regions of Canada, Winnipeg or Vancouver or other regions. Yeah.
That's it. Samish, I really like that those ideas very much. अपने जो online fundraising की बात की, GoFundMe वगैरह का, and sharing social media content on the larger groups on their platforms. And these are kind of some of these might be actually low-hanging fruits. Like my person already काफी content created है, just a matter of going to those forums and sharing those. So it should be action-oriented. Like we're asking them to join us, know more about Ekal, join us as a volunteer, if they feel like they can, make some donations. So whatever actions they feel they're comfortable, they can do that. So like short, sweet, and action-oriented messages will be.
Yeah, that's a great idea. I wanted to add something like GoFundMe. We've been talking about this as an addition to the Ekal website since last year. Deepakji, I think we started with this discussion with you. Couple things we had said. One was like the GoFundMe. The other also was कि जैसे अगर हमारा कोई event है, so how can we create teams and contribute towards teams? These are the kind of things that I think website enhancement, if that's something that can actually happen, they will really, really make our reach way more vast than it is right now, if possible.
Okay, अच्छी बात है. So I think that was kind of the end of the. Sorry, before I do that, I just want to go around the group and ask. So spoke to Pooja ji, कुछ और ऐड करना है आपको?
No, I don't have anything more to add. I think some really great points here.
I'll be leaving in 5 minutes too.
तो हम फिनिश कर रहे हैं, 5 मिनट के अंदर खत्म हो जाएगा सेशन.
Thank you.
तो सुदर्शन, आप बताएं कुछ, आपको कुछ और ख्याल आया, कुछ इन थॉट्स came to your mind?
No, thanks. Everybody had very good input. Good meeting.
Right. अभी मैंने विनोद जी को देखा था. I'm not seeing him. विनोद जी, are you still there?
नहीं, वो नहीं है अभी.
Yeah, unfortunately, I've missed him. Anyway,
what I was thinking is,
huh.
we still haven't, put a finger on any, idea that we want to expand when in terms of fundraising virtually, right? So what kind of event? So maybe that's something, maybe in the next meeting, or or some smaller setting, if you want to brainstorm those ideas, because we are in February right now. Time flies really fast. If we are planning to divide the year, we must know what we are doing and when we are doing, so the planning can be done accordingly, especially if you're planning an event in May, uh,
Right.
or any time close. Planning has to be done. So I think, narrowing down on what we want to do and structuring the year ahead, sooner the better.
Sure. What is just एक meeting हम लोग call करेंगे. I think it'll be in a small group, just to kind of like brainstorm some initial ideas, and then we'll bring it back to the larger group. So actually, Gupta ji is kind of also expecting some sort of plan from us. So it's a good reminder that like हम लोग अपना एक structure create कर लेते हैं, like how many events, what kind of themes, which kind of likely artists या जो भी कहने जो like performance वगैरह हैं. तो एक वैसा हमें बनाने की जरूरत पड़ेगी. So I maybe within a week or 10 days I'll call for another meeting, smaller group, and उसमें थोड़ा सा brainstorm हम लोग कर लेते हैं इसके बारे में. So I think today we have got some ideas. We just have to kind of उसको ये करना पड़ेगा कि like उसे थोड़ा ज़्यादा specific बनाना पड़ेगा with the timelines and themes.
I think Sanjeev, that's a great point. And from Bharti, what Bharti just said, and I think the one task that everybody should leave with is exactly that. Ki, you guys on your day-to-day thinking, apart from the task that you have, keep in mind what virtual events that we can do. So maybe we'll make a tally of that, or put it in your chat window or something, so we can tally that up as well. We need everybody's ideas. It can't be just the committee, the 4 people that come together and are brainstorming. We have so many people on this chat and other groups as well, right? That if you have any ideas, just put it in the chat window. We will collate it and we will take action on it. But I think we need everybody's ideas. So for the next couple of days to maybe a week, guys, if anything comes across, you're part of other groups as well. Aap kuch dekhein, kuch acha lage, you say, hey guys, what do you think of as an idea? I don't think anything that you'll put in the chat window is going to be whatever, but we'll consider it, right? I think ye karna chahiye if possible.
एक काम ये करेंगे राजू जी की एक थोड़ा सा एक what do you call Google Sheet ऐसा कुछ Google Form नहीं कुछ I'm forgetting that Google Doc का एक डॉक्यूमेंट लिंक बना देंगे. उसमें आइडियाज को हम लोग जॉट डाउन करके चले जाते हैं, so that everybody can see what other ideas already there, and they can put their this all in one central place, and we can use that for like we can take that into account in our
Right. But just to make it easy, I mean, people can just put it in the chat window as well. We will take responsibility of collating that in a doc if we need to, right? I mean, otherwise, everybody goes to a doc and confusion ho sakta hai. Just to keep it simple for everybody else on the group, right? We can just ideas dalo and then somebody will rip it up, right?
Right.
Ji.
Okay, fantastic. So I think we are done with the agenda. Next meeting, I think we're finalized on every last Sunday of every month. So we'll continue with that. So next meeting will be on 28th Feb, and the same time 10:30. We'll try to keep it within 1.5 hour. Discussion काफी अच्छा जा रहा, so didn't want to kind of like thwart the flow of the discussions, but like 1.5 hours is what we'll be targeting ideally. But as you know, sometimes it can go a bit longer. So that's those are the only things. Like anyone else has any other last item before we adjourn the meeting?
Sandeep ji, there's a couple of things. मेरी गुप्ता जी से बात हुई थी, and he was mentioning कि maybe throw an idea of how about if you guys would like to have a weekly meeting, just a short meeting, maybe for a few minutes, just to revise and update some of the ideas and to share with the group. So that's just a thought, okay. And secondly, I wanted to share one news. It's a sad news actually. Some of you already may know about it. That आपको याद होगा कि last year हम लोग आर्य समाज मार्खम में गए थे, okay, right? तो वहाँ के president and they have been constantly supporting. तो वहाँ के president श्री अमर एरी जी, he passed away. He was actually soon after we had visited them in February of last year. and where they had given us a big donation of $26,000 for 52 schools, and they've been previously also supporting ACL. Like soon after that, I think in the following month in March, he got sick, and so he was hospitalized most of the time. And he had, towards the end, he had even got, partly he was in coma, and then towards the end, he had got COVID. I had tried to be in touch with them. I had called them a few times to the number I had. So one time I was able to speak with his wife. That was a few months ago, sometime in the summer. Then उनके कुछ और जो लोग थे, जो main, some of their prominent people of the Arya Samaj, I did talk to them, call them a few times. So, but sadly, he passed away just a few days ago. And so we, uske baad bhi, I have been in touch with them, their Vice President Neera Chakravarti ji. And then we were even thinking of sending flowers to the family. And but they said instead of the flowers, there was actually, I had shared that information on the ACL Canada volunteer group. Maybe मैंने भेजा था. Somebody wanted to, they could support or instead of flowers, they could send to one of the organizations. So it was a very sad news, and they were friends of ACL Vidyalaya, and so we will still stay in touch with the rest of the people. I knew him personally for many years. Gupta ji knew him even longer than I did, and so our prayers are for the family and the departed soul.
नहीं, काफी दुख का समाचार है सुभाष जी का। वो हमारे बहुत लॉन्ग टर्म से कंसिस्टेंट सपोर्टर रहे थे, और पर्सनली भी उनसे मिले हैं, तो दैट्स रियली सैड न्यूज़। एक छोटा सा मैं सोच रहा था कि जैसे कि अभी यूजुअली थोड़ा जैसे होता है ना, एक ई कार्ड, एक कॉन्डोलेंस का हम लोग भेज सकते हैं अपनी तरफ से, जिसमें कि जस्ट लाइक रिमेम्बरिंग हिज कंट्रीब्यूशन काइंड ऑफ थिंग।
Gupta ji was to write ACL Vidyalaya की तरफ से उन्होंने email, not sure whether he has sent it already. I'll double check with him.
हाँ, तो आर्य समाज को और उनके परिवार दोनों को जा सकता है, वैसा कुछ चाहिए ना।
वो एक्चुअली जो लास्ट टाइम मेरी उनके वाइफ से भी बात हुई थी, तो she was apparently staying with their son. तो it just happened that she had come to their house, और हमारा जो उनका फोन नंबर भी था, वो उनका हाउस नंबर ही था। So then she said she was going back staying with their son. तो उसके बाद कोई स्टेटस नहीं है हमारे पास। तो but yes, we will get in touch with them as much we can.
हाँ जी।
ठीक है, so I guess
I think we had, sorry, Swaji, कुछ और कह रहे थे?
It was a very good discussion. I think everybody shared a lot of great ideas, and let's move forward, especially जो हमारा events का जो है, that is the priority basically. Or if event committee can even get in touch with Sheetal also, and as Bharti ji said that we are already in February now, tomorrow, so time is running out, and earlier the better. We make some solid programs, how we're gonna continue our programs, virtual programs, especially about the awareness and the fundraisers for 2021. Yeah,
let's do it.
Okay, so thank you so much everyone. फिर हम लोग next month मिलेंगे as a full team, or smaller groups will be meeting in between as well to progress this further.
Okay.
Thanks everyone.
Okay.
Bye for now. Have a good one.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye bye.